Where the act corresponds exactly to law, where effective administration is additional to the iudi possidetis juris, the only role of effectivite is to confirm the exercise of the right derived from a legal title. Where the act does not correspond to the law, where the territory, which is the subject of the dispute, is effectively administered by a state other than the one possessing the legal title, preference should be given to the holder of the title. In the event that the effectivite does not coexist with any legal title, it must invariably be taken into consideration. Finally, there are cases where the legal title is not capable of showing exactly the territorial expanse to which it relates. The effectivites can then play an essential role in showing how the title is interpreted in practice.